What's up, Supreme Team? How y'all doing today, man? I got the best prank. This might go viral. I'm trying to tell you that right now, man. Check this out. I'm about to be doing this prank to where my hand is gonna get stuck in the garbage disposal while I'm washing dishes, and then I'm gonna turn it on and act like it chopped my fingers off. You know what I'm saying? So we're about to do this prank, man. I want to see her reaction. I want to get the best reaction possible that I can out of her in this video. So if you guys want to see more of these right here, you gotta subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. And for the ones that are subscribed, thank you so much. Love you, man. Okay, the thing is, the downfall about this right here is we got a camera in this house, all around this house, whatever. So it's one that's showing the living room and the kitchen. All right, so it sees what I'm doing in the kitchen, whatever, in the living room. So I cannot do the intro in there, whatever, or I can't set up how I want with it, you know, displayed everywhere. So I gotta display that right here in the kitchen while my back is turned towards the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna put the blood and stuff on my hand in the sink and stuff like that. After I run the water for the dishes and put the soap in the water and stuff like that, and, you know, actually do a couple of dishes first, which is gonna be sped up or whatever. And then, you know, you guys are gonna see it and how it is or whatever. So just tune in, stay with me. I'm gonna premiere this video, so this is not going straight up. I want y'all to really look at this video, man. This is about to be a crazy prank. Crazy prank. Crazy prank.
Dad! 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 What? Dad! What? What did he do? Dad! Michael, what did you do? Tell me. I don't want to go see. What is it?
I got my hand stuck in this garbage disposal, man.
In the garbage disposal?
Bro.
Is this a prank? Don't do this.
feel tingling stuff all over my hand, bro.
Okay, Michael, how did it get stuck in the fucking garbage disposal?
I was trying to put these egg rolls down here.
Why would you stick the whole? Oh my God, Kaylin! Don't take it out. You gotta call 911 so that way they can come get it. Because if you pull it, you'll fuck around and injure your fucking shit. You don't want to pull it out and tear no ligaments. Hold on.
It's a prank.
I don't know if it's pranking or not, but if it's serious, you gotta call 911. Because if his hand is stuck in this dishwasher, in this garbage disposal, and you try to turn on. The disposal turn on.
Don't touch it, bro.
Why did you use that vampire blood that's for Halloween?
What the hell? Take it out. Let me see.
My vampire blood is
I
missing
can't.
in the bathroom. Dad, you could. It's right there.
Ew. Y'all better
Michael, there's a camera.
He better not bleed on my goddamn floor.
Dang. I couldn't get you for nothing.
No. Plus, I walked upstairs like this. He said,
Oh,
it's
wow.
an emergency. With a big old smile on his face.
That's messed up, man. That's just messed up.
Oh, I'm trying to get up. Please.
Mike's up.
Zion cried. At least I got him a little bit. Dang, man. All right, guys. If you thought this video was somewhat okay, just go ahead and leave a like. Comment down below if you want to see more. It's hard pranking her, man. I can't get her for nothing. So if you guys want to just guide me in the right direction of doing some correct pranks that would get her, like I'm staying because of this prank or whatever, then leave a comment below. All right? Love you guys so much. Remember, you got to grind to shine. Peace.